Okay guys, so I went to Ulta and I had no business being in Ulta. I really didn't need anything, but I was like itching to buy new makeup. And so originally I was going into Ulta to go ahead and purchase just like a few Morphe products so I can do a affordable look for you guys. And I just got carried away. Like there were so many things where I was just like, oh wow, I can use that. I need that. I've been wanting that. So obviously my cart got real filled and I intended on only spending $150, $175 being the absolute max. So went totally over that budget. I actually spent way more than I anticipated. So I will let you guys know what the final cost comes out to at the end of this video. But I got a lot of stuff and I was really conflicted if I wanted to go to Sephora or Ulta, and I just thought as far as doing a more affordable look and then just having more options to choose from, Ulta was the place to go because they're more of drugstore brands, but high-end brands and everything in between. So let's get started. Like I said, I originally wanted to do a Morphe look. So I wanted to be all Morphe'd out. I'm gonna get some foundation, I'm gonna get some mascara, some concealer, everything. And I totally steered off of that. The first thing I got was the Morphe foundation, and this is the Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. It is a matte foundation, and I got this foundation shade in F4.40. I also got the concealer to go along with it. I'm not sure if the concealer is like a part of the Fluidity line, but it was right next to it. It's by Morphe, and I got it in the shade C4.35. So I did read some reviews on the foundation itself, and there were mixed reviews. So some people said they liked it, some people said they didn't. I can say that everyone says that it is truly matte. It is absolutely a matte foundation, absolutely full coverage. However, some people were saying that it's kind of hard to blend after you apply it because it's so matte. And some people said it smells like paint. So I'm about to smell right now. It absolutely smells like paint. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm actually really interested in trying this out. I will definitely be doing a review for you guys, so I will let you know if it's worth you spending your money on. The next thing I got from Morphe is this liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Virgin. I just realized that I don't really have a good amount of lipsticks or liquid lipsticks for that matter, so this color was really cute. It's like a pinky type of nude color, which I thought would be really nice and natural looking, so hopefully it actually looks like what it looks like on my lips. While I was at it, I did grab a few eyeshadow palettes by Morphe. So the first one that I got is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and this is from the 3 collections that she dropped as a bulk. However, this one is the Armed and Gorgeous, and God, this one has some really beautiful shades. So the green over there and the yellow were 2 of the colors that I absolutely felt that I need to have, so that actually made me gravitate towards this palette. And then I love orange, and so the oranges obviously were a plus for me, but I felt like this was very fall-like, and this is something that I felt I was gonna be like, damn, if I didn't get it. So I got it, and this one was only like $15. So this to me was a great purchase. Again, I didn't feel all 3 were necessary, but of course this one was really nice. So the next thing that I got was the James Charles palette, of course. So this is the mini version. James Charles came out with the original, which is like literally 2 times bigger than what this one is. I believe the reasoning for coming out with a mini is obviously so that you can travel with it and take it with you. And the other one was like a size of a binder, you guys, like this much on the end and then maybe about that much more on top. And to me, of course, I actually ended up grabbing the big one first, and I was kind of like, okay, you know what, this is like taking up so much space in my little bag that I had. And when I got to the register, the guy actually showed me the mini version, which I originally was like, that's what I wanted. But here are some of the shades that are in the palette. These colors are so pigmented, you guys, and of course James Charles has created numerous looks with this palette, and his eyeshadow is on point, so I absolutely felt like it was worth the investment to actually try it out. Again, the colors are super pigmented, and I swatched it on my hand and I was just like, okay, you know what, I have to get this. But again, there are 2 sizes that this came in. The original size and then the mini size. So if you travel or if you really just don't want to have like a super huge palette, then I would definitely say get the mini. They are 2 different price points. I am going to be having the actual pricing somewhere around this video, so I will accurately confirm what the price point was, but I feel like I needed that. And of course it has like one of every shade that you could possibly need. And again, the yellow tone in there was like a pop for me, so I was like, I need this. So I got it. And to keep along with the Morphe below, because originally, like I said, we were going there strictly for Morphe products, I did go ahead and purchase this eye brush kit from Morphe, and this bag comes with 12 different eyeshadow brushes, and they're like literally ones for every type of look. So you get your blending brush, your tapered brush, your eyeshadow brush, you have a flat brush, and you also have a spoolie along with it. So for me, this was essential because, as you guys can tell when I'm doing my makeup looks, I'm always like cleaning off the brushes midway through so I can use it on a different color. So I knew I needed new brushes, and that was like a perfect deal for those brushes. Those were, I believe, like $30. Yeah. So those were $30, and you got 12 brushes. So I felt like that was a really good price, and Morphe has a history of having really nice brushes, and I don't own any, so why not get the deal? As I was continuing on through the store and I kind of moved on from the Morphe section, right directly on the other side of that was the NYX collection. So if you guys don't know, NYX is a really good brand. They're really affordable as far as all of their products, eyeshadows, mascaras, concealers, everything. NYX has everything. If you're like freshly into makeup, I would definitely say go ahead and stock up starting off on NYX, and then just work your way through the lines. So one of the things that I knew that I needed that I don't really have, and I felt like, you know, it kind of stunts my creativity, are colored eyeliners. So NYX came out with their Vivid Brights liquid eyeliners, and I got the shade Vivid Petal and Vivid Envy, and these are just, of course, green and pink liquid eyeliners. So to me, these are like Cosmo and Wanda together. But I had to get these because there's so many looks that I want to do, and sometimes I want to do a colored eyeliner or just a different type of design on the look, and these are going to be perfect for that, so I had to get those. I also got some lip liners by NYX, and I got the shade Natural and then the shade Mauve. So these are just some really nude, neutral type of lip liners. From my previous videos, I always state how my go-to lip liner is Cork by MAC. Obviously, if I'm doing a lighter lip color, that lip liner is going to turn it darker. So I wanted something that was more neutral and natural looking. I might even just go ahead and fill my lips in with the lip liner itself, but these are going to be really, really cute. Hopefully this looks good with Virgin by Morphe, and we'll see if that's a cute combination. I really hope it just shows up on my lips and not like that ashy type of look. But moving on, we also got some eye products by NYX. So I got the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is really good for priming your eyes. You can use this in the actual eyeshadow look, and kind of, you know, instead of using concealer to carve out your eye, you would use this, and this will help the color, you know, pop a little bit more. And then I also got the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in White Pearl. And this is an eyeshadow base, and it kind of has like a little tint of pearl to it, so gives just a little bit of payout, but something really nice for all of those James Charles colors that we're going to be using. So the next thing I got was the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown. My friend Bird actually showed this on her YouTube channel. I'll link that down below. Make sure to subscribe to her channel. But she used this in one of her videos, and it was popping, so I was like, okay, you know what? I gotta try it. I hope this is the right color. I really didn't actually ask for the name of it, but if not, I feel like this is going to be cute too. So you guys will be seeing that in some of my future videos. What else do we have? Oh, okay, so I also, like I said, I was looking to get a Morphe mascara, but I like saw this guy and I was just intrigued by the entire packaging. So, and it looks like a blow up brush. So this is the It Cosmetics / Blowout Mascara, and it is actually really cool because the bristles to me kind of resemble what a blowout brush looks like, just with the, you know, ball, like not balls on the end, but like, you know, just those pieces at the end that kind of help grab the hairs individually. So I'm really excited to try this out because, as you guys know, I'm not really a lash type of gal, but I'm always in the market for a new mascara, something that'll help, you know, volumize and lengthen, but also dramatically enhancing my lashes. So I'm really excited to try that out. And since we're on the topic of lashes, I did go ahead and purchase some lashes. I got the Ardell lashes and I decided to give them a try. I got the natural lashes, the demi blacks, and these are number 120. And then I also got the wispies, and these are in number 122. So I'm pretty excited to put those on. I know I don't really do any type of looks that involve lashes, but I had some ideas. I grabbed these so I can try these out and, you know, try to create some, you know, new looks for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, as I was leaving the store, I purposely did not stop by the Anastasia section because I knew there was a product over there that I had to have, that I didn't need, but I had to have it. So as I was going to the register, of course, the guy's showing me all the different things that he has, but then he pulls out this, which is the Carli Bybel and Anastasia eyeshadow palette. So right off the bat, you guys, look at this packaging. Like, it looks 3D as if they're like, you know, these little things on the actual package, but it's completely flat, like flat. But it looks really, really good, aesthetically very pleasing. And then as you can see in the lights, it shines and shimmers. One thing I will say is yesterday I actually dropped the palette on the floor and I wanted to make sure that it wasn't broken. And so I was lifting the little ribbon that comes along with it and the ribbon fell out. So that will be one thing that I will say about this palette. My ribbon fell out. It's not that big of a deal, but just something to note. But this is the actual eyeshadows, you guys. And when I tell you, these shades are like absolutely beautiful. Like, I hope that the camera is actually picking up the beautifulness of this palette, where she, you know, showed her new collection that she was gonna have with Anastasia and went over, you know, why she named them the names that they are. And these are all names of her family members, her friends, and, you know, just important people in her life. And I love that she, you know, made sure to keep this palette authentic to who she was and, you know, included everybody. And her shade on the end right here, which is called Angels, she named that after her supporters. So I really like that she made this palette not only personable, but also, you know, gave back in a way that made us feel like we were included in this palette. I'm definitely a Carli Bybel fan, so I will be doing hella looks with this palette. Like, there's gonna be so many coming, but that is pretty much everything that I got from Ulta. We went to Ulta with the goal in mind of spending only $150, $175 being the absolute max, and we spent a total of $245.38. Oh my God, that is not how much I went in there anticipating on spending, but we did get 17 items, okay? So like I said, there was a toss-up between if I wanted to go to Ulta or Sephora. I guarantee you guys, 17 products in Sephora, I don't care where you're at, 17 products in Sephora will cost you over $1,000. Don't believe me? Go do some math. Go check out their website and put 17 things in your cart. I guarantee you, not sale items either, I guarantee you, you guys will spend well over $245.38. So would I say this entire purchase was worth it? Absolutely. I'm really ecstatic about all of the products that I got. I got 2 pairs of lashes, I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, I got foundation, concealer, mascara, lip liners for days, I got highlights. I literally have a full face worth of products here, and I got a 12-piece brush set. So in my opinion, yes, I did go well over my budget, but it was all totally worth it, I think. And that is the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Next time I'll try to take you guys with me, but obviously we can see that I get sidetracked, so maybe I won't, but maybe I will if that's what you guys want to see. But please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, okay, well, still give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. If you guys have any specific requests that you guys want to see, maybe using any of these new products, or maybe there's a product that you think I should try, comment down below. I might give it a chance and spend more money that I don't need to be spending. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.